Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import and use offline maps on your AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the Zepp app. Now here in the Zepp app, what you guys want to do is select the device at the bottom. Now swipe down until you see device application settings. And here we want to select the map management. Now we wait for the map to load up. We want to download it. I'll choose, let's say, this terrain right here, and you can choose the base map, the contour map, the ski map, so you can disable the contour for an example and just use the base one. I'll download every single layer. We just click download here and select Bluetooth because it's faster. And now what are we doing is we're waiting for it to download and decompress. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now the map is downloaded. You just click on the check mark here, and what you guys want to do is, if you want to use it, then you need to start a workout, and after that you will have your map. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.